Need to update your Instagram email quickly and securely? Want to make sure your account stays safe with a new email? I'll show you step-by-step how to change your Instagram email like a pro. Hi, I'm Preyo Phonie, and today I'll teach you how to update your Instagram email safely and easily. Step 1. Unlock your phone and launch the Instagram app. Ensure you're logged into the account you want to update. Having the correct account open prevents mistakes later. This is the first step to a smooth email change process. Step 2. Go to the bottom right corner and tap your profile picture. This opens your personal Instagram profile instantly. Make sure you're on the right account if you manage multiple profiles. Being on your profile sets the stage for accessing settings. Step 3. Locate the menu icon at the top right corner of your profile. Tapping this gives you access to all essential Instagram settings. Ensure you don't confuse it with other icons on the page. This menu is your gateway to account management features. Step 4. Scroll and select Account Center from the menu options. This connects all your Instagram accounts and personal details. Tapping here allows you to manage important contact info. It's the central hub for secure account updates. Step 5. Select Profile and Personal Details to view your account information. Here you can manage your name, email, phone number, and more. Ensure you are in the right section to make changes. This step ensures a smooth and accurate update process. Step 6. Tap Contact Info to access your email and phone number. This is where you can update your account's primary email. Check the existing email carefully before making changes. Being precise prevents any account access issues later. Step 7. Select the current email and tap Delete Email. Instagram will prompt you to confirm this action. This step removes the old email from your account safely. It ensures you can add a new email without conflicts. Step 8. Instagram will ask for confirmation to finalize removal. Tap Delete again to confirm and remove the old email. This double confirmation prevents accidental changes. Your old email is now successfully removed from your account. Step 9. Return to the Profile and Personal Details page. Tap Add New Contact to start adding your new email. Ensure you choose the correct option to avoid errors. This prepares your account for the secure addition of a new email. Step 10. Select the Add Email option from the Contact Info menu. This allows you to input your new updated email address. Make sure your new email is active and accessible. Choosing the right email ensures smooth verification. Step 11. Type your new email carefully in the box provided. Double-check for typos to avoid verification issues. Once correct, tap Next to proceed with the verification process. This ensures your account stays secure with the updated contact info. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, and tap the bell icon so you never miss more Instagram hacks and social media tips. Step 12. Instagram will send a verification code to your new email. Check your inbox and enter the code in the app. Tap Next to confirm the email update securely. This step finalizes the process and protects your account. Step 13. Once verified, your new email is successfully linked to your account. You can now use it for login and account recovery purposes. This completes the process safely and professionally. Your Instagram account is now fully updated and secure. Updating your Instagram email is fast and secure when done correctly. Follow these steps, and you'll manage your account like a pro. Stay safe, keep your account updated, and protect your Instagram login. For more expert social media tutorials, keep following Preyo Phonie. We make tech simple, safe, and effective.